Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today I'm doing something special for you. What I found and some folks told me to pick up is the Bose glasses. You heard it, Bose glasses. So we're gonna do, I'm not gonna do a full review. I'm just going to do an unboxing just so you can see what's in the box. I'll let you know a little bit about how they fit and feel. I probably go running with them first because a lot of people use them for that, but this is part of the new Bose augmented reality. If you see that symbol here, the augmented reality line. So we're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna look and see what's in here. And from there, we'll keep it moving. By the way, they are available at Best Buy. These are the Alto frames. If you can see on here, it says Alta, which is the square ones. Oh, let me move back a little bit. The square ones. It's the Alto style, which is the square. The square style looks kind of like Ray-Bans. And then they have a rounded style, which is kind of more of 50 chic. And then you'll see on the back what's listed in the box. So let's get at it. Let's get to opening it. And we'll talk a little bit about it, and then I'll do a further review later on. All right, so when you buy them, you can tell they're new by the seal on it. So if you go to like places like Best Buy or anything like that, make sure you're not getting an open box pair. There should be a seal in here, and the tab is just here. Let's see. And then here we go. That's how you know it's new. And then, so even if it's on one side, you can't open it unless you peel the tab on the other side. So we're gonna peel this tab on this other side. Now, I was shocked when I found out that Bose actually had glasses. I was like, why would I want Bose glasses? But hey, you know, one of my buddies said it's good for if you have like this, I forgot what it's called, tinnitus or something like that. It's the condition where you have constant ringing in your ears. People who have like hearing damage from concerts and things like that. Apparently these glasses are supposed to help with that. So if you do have constant ringing in your ears, I would say go cop a pair, try it out, and then see. But anyway, you see I removed them on one side and the other. And from that, the top just comes off. Now, we talked about this. I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna move it down a little bit. You don't need to see my face yet. The quality of the box experience is kind of premium. The quality of the case is kind of interesting. It looks like a glasses case from, I don't know, like it looks like Lens Crafters or even Costco. Let's see what they're like. But if you look in the case, look at this. And then you open it up. It's pretty cool-ish. The inside of the case has a kind of a feltish-like feel. So it's not like a microfiber feel at all. It's a feltish feel. And I like the way that the glasses are shaped, or I guess framed in there, so that they don't just, let's see. Yeah, they don't fall out. And so it's kind of cool. All right, so let's pull this out. It's very interesting. This inside this case is, I think, the charging cable. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see, we're looking in here. Again, I'm not 100% sold on this yet, only because, all right, so it's a USB. All right, so this is one thing that I kind of just annoys me about Bose and some of the other manufacturers. It's a USB charging cord, but it has a proprietary in that, I mean, it would be different if Bose was ubiquitous, right? And so it was just around, everybody was using Bose, and this charging cable meant something. But this is very, if you lose this cable, this, oh, these glasses actually are $199. If you lose this cable, you know in your mind that Bose is gonna make you pay the price to get another one of these. So that's why they have this kind of bar scanning code on it. If you look at that, like, trying to get it to focus. But anyway, you can scan and get a new one. All right, so what do I think about the build? First, we'll pull this out. They're cool, and oh, if you look on the side, that's where the charging cable goes. They're cool. Well, let's try them on. Let's see. We're gonna try them on. We'll see if I look cool. That's not bad though. The side is a little big, but you know, I don't really wear glasses that much. But you know, if you're sitting around and you're like on a boat or something like that. I mean, I personally like earbuds, but let's see. And so I got my glasses on, looking like one of the Blues Brothers, but it's kind of cool. Now, we're gonna look in here because I have no idea how to pair them, sync them up. I know they come with a minimal charge when you get them. But look, oh, they don't even call them glasses. They call them Bose Frames. Oh, sorry. Bose Frames. Look at that, frames. Look at Bose trying to take it to the top. And look, this instruction manual, it's in like, I don't even know, like 11 languages. It's a lot of languages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 languages. There you go. So if you can read any one of those, you can figure out how to do your Bose frames. And then the, look at this. See what it says. Here are the instructions. So it says, I gotta download Bose Connect from the Google Store. To set up the frames and access all features, you must download Bose Connect app. Then, number 2, once I get the app, I press this button near the right temple so the app can find the frames. And then after that, there's a whole bunch of different language instructions. So, let's see how easy it is to find this Bose Connect app. We're going into iPhone 8 territory, and we're gonna go look and see about this Bose Connect. So as soon as you look, this is the first thing that comes up, Bose Connect, and then the Bose Connect app has pictures of the glasses on it. So look at that. So I'm gonna get that. This is how you know I'm doing this. Is brand new for you guys. I am, oh crap. Oh, look at that. Got it. Got it. Now it's downloading, so we'll see. See how big this app is. How long does it take? My connection is pretty quick, as you can tell. Look, I'm looking cool. Too cool for school. And they're not heavy. And then so now it says open. So let's see what this app looks like. It says to use Bose Connect, Bose would like to use my Bluetooth. So I'm gonna say okay. And it says, nothing is more important than your trust. Our privacy policy, blah, 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 blah. Protect your data, blah, 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 blah. And then you can say, I agree. And then if you already have a Bose ID, you can create a Bose ID. Or what I'm gonna do right now is I can sign in or I can skip it. It says I can skip it. So I'm gonna skip it for right now. I don't feel like doing that step. And it says it doesn't see my product. So remember, I gotta hit this button in the right temple. Oh look, as soon as you hit that button, it says battery 60%, or I'll tell you how much your battery is. And it says to set up the Bose Connect app, download the app. So a voice in the glasses will tell you what you need to do. So as soon as you hit this thing, and I think it found my glasses. Look at that. So as soon as I push the button on the right hand side, it says ready connect. It says drag to connect. Now it's connecting. There we go. So look. Open up the settings menu on this device and tap Bluetooth. So I'm going to the settings menu, Bluetooth, okay. And then you'll see in there, Bose Frames. Okay, and then it connected to the frames, and then it says connected to the iPhone. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm going back to the app. Let's look at that. So now it's connected. It asks me what language I want. I'm picking English. And then I can nickname my glasses. And I'm gonna nickname it, you can change the name. I'm just gonna leave it Bose Frames. And then they have a tour, so you can take a tour of the device. So what you guys probably really wanna know is how the music sounds. So let's go to music, because that's really what I want to know. And then again, like I said, I'm gonna run with these glasses and then really let you know. But to determine if I would really wear these glasses, I think I need to just find out if it makes sense. Because I can't, me personally, I can't imagine that it sounds as good as having earbuds in, but we're gonna see. Where is this? Let's see. I'm trying to pick a song that I like enough to endure. You know what I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use the Steven Universe music, and I'm not gonna get demonetized because you guys won't hear it. But I like Steven Universe. The Steven Universe movie, if you haven't watched it, watch it. It's actually one of the coolest little movies that I've seen. And we're gonna do Drift Away, featuring Sarah Styles. What? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you, I don't know if you like audio. Bose, let me tell you, I'm shocked at the sound. I don't know how they do it, but the sound actually, it sounds like it's in my ears. But it also sounds like I am in a concert hall with the glasses on. I am shocked. Well, let me just change to a different song. That is a pretty good song. I picked that song specifically because of the vocals in the song, but let me pick a different song. Wow. All I can say is wow. Bose, they hit that out the park. Let me go to a rap song. Let me see. And you know what I was just thinking? Like, I am a person who likes earbuds, but I realize like the reason that I like this, and I think this option might be a good option for many people, is that if you're sitting, like say you're laying out suntanning or whatever, and sometimes when you fall asleep, you just don't want to fall asleep with things in your ears. You could totally I mean like, it's not, okay. So again, to be fair, it's not like deep bass or anything like that. Like if if you had isolating things in your ears or over the ear headphones, but I am not mad with this. Now, that being said, one of the criticisms that I've seen people kind of render against these glasses is that you can't do prescription frames. And if you change these out, so you can change these lenses out, no problem. But once you do that, it voids the warranty. So just know that they don't do prescriptions. And if you do prescriptions yourself, it voids the warranty. I'm legitimately impressed with these. My goodness, that is, I'm gonna check out podcasts just to see. I just want to see how voices sound with the podcast. All right, hold on. So I am listening to the Grind My Gears podcast, which is done by these brilliant students at MIT. They do it every week. So if you get a chance, look for the Grind My Gears podcast. But the voice, it sounds like the folks are right next to me. This is amazing. So I want to say that I'm impressed. I'm going to take these off. Now, the thing I don't necessarily like about the glasses that, the earbuds do, and so this would end up running your battery down if you don't think to turn it off, which I don't even know how you do that, but I'm gonna assume that you can just turn. No, you can't do it that way. Oh, you can do it that way. So you just hit the button on the right-hand side. But the one thing that I don't like about the way these work, and maybe there's some setting that you can set, is that they don't automatically go off when you pull them off. And so that could end up running your battery down, but that's not a bad thing. Anyway, Bose Frames, as they call them, not Bose sunglasses, as I call them. But Bose Frames, amazing. The quality of the build, I'm not sure. I haven't had them long enough. It seems like a lot of plastic. This seems all plasticky. There's nothing premium about the feel. But like I said, if you're kind of laying out, you don't want things in your ears, because sometimes I know the earbuds and things like that hurt your ears. These are actually kind of cool. I would say, they feel comfortable enough. They might be worth trying. I don't like the proprietary plug, which is kind of a bummer, which is, the battery life on the glasses are, from what I understand, is not very long. It's like 2.5 hours, something like that. So that's kind of a downside. And for the $200 price point, not sure. But I appreciate Bose because the sound when for podcasts and for the music that I just listened to, it sounded like it was just it was like right in my ear. Like I felt like the person was right next to me. And so I would say, if you haven't tried them, go out and try them. Get a pair. In terms of like the polarization on this, it's actually pretty good. Like I have a light here and I can look right into the light and it doesn't bother my eyes. So I would say definitely try it out. These are not an expensive investment if you are a person who's into technology. I would say be careful with them because they don't seem as premium as something that would be made out of kind of like plastic metal kind of combination. But hey, anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please hit that like button for the algorithm. Please subscribe, like below. Let me know your comments if you tried these glasses. Like I said, this is the Alto style, which is the square style, but they have a rounded style. If you tried the glasses, let me know. I'd love to hear your comments or feedback. And just like I said, holla at your boy. Subscribe, like below. I'm gonna hit the wizard with the song. Subscribe, like below. Anyway, holla at your boy. I'm GB Reviews, Bose Frames. I like it. We're out.
Subscribe right below.